Moon Hotel, backed by Nvidia, has a 2032 opening date. Packing for a lunar vacation sound like the stuff of 1950s science fiction, yet a startup backed by one of the world's biggest tech companies claims it could welcome guests by 2032, a date that's uncomfortably close. With a 6-year countdown already underway, the project is fueling equal parts excitement and suspicion. Is this the next giant leap in space tourism, or an audacious promise racing far ahead of reality? Meet the startup aiming to build a hotel on the moon. The Moon Hotel project is the brainchild of GRU Space, short for Galactic Resource Utilization. Last week, the company opened reservations for future lunar rooms, signaling a bold push into space tourism. Leading the effort is Skylar Chan, a 22-year-old prodigy who graduated early from University of California, Berkeley, with dual degrees. Despite his youth, Chan earned an Air Force pilot license at 16, wrote vehicle software at Tesla, and built a NASA-funded 3D printer sent to space. GRU Space was accepted into Y Combinator and backed by Nvidia's accelerator, with investors linked to SpaceX and unicorn Anduril, giving the startup credibility. How much does a stay cost, and when does it open? GRU Space isn't holding back when it comes to ambition or the price tag. Interested guests must first pay a non-refundable $1,000 application fee. If selected, the deposit jumps dramatically, either $250,000 or $1 million, with a 30-day window to cancel. After that, refunds are only possible once the hotel is actually built. And the final room prices? GRU Space warns they could exceed $10 million. The roadmap targets applicant screening in 2026, a private reservation auction in 2027, a 2029 test mission, lunar deployment in 2031, and a 2032 opening. Red flags and critics' concerns. The buzz around GRU Space's proposed Moon Hotel has invited comparisons to Virgin Galactic, founded by British billionaire Richard Branson. Launched in 2005, Virgin Galactic promised civilian space travel but faced years of delays, technical setbacks, and a fatal test crash in 2014. Although Branson finally flew in 2021, its brief suborbital trips remain costly and limited. GRU Space is aiming far higher, proposing multi-day lunar stays despite having a tiny team and an ambitious timeline. Founder Skylar Chan openly calls it a high-risk gamble. His confidence is tied to U.S. space policy. With renewed lunar ambitions under the Trump administration and NASA now led by billionaire Jared Isaacman, Chan believes the government will rely on commercial partners to build lunar infrastructure quickly, making GRU Space's bold bet part of a much larger race.